And combining weight loss and health along with your behavior are things that we need to do even in mental health. Whatever helps the heart health is mind health. Whatever diet helps your acne is good for your heart and your mind. Realizing it's one big system, be it from your skin to your heart, to your brain, to your toes, to your feet, to whatever it might be. It's one system that healthy eating helps all of it. So which diets are good? Mediterranean. One of the top diets that you can eat, all right? So far as randomized controlled trials show that Mediterranean diet helps. Ketogenic diets helps. Uncoupling proteins in the brain and mitochondria, making you stronger, faster, giving your body more phosphate and ATP. You know how they have the big cans of, weight bodybuilder stuff? That actually comes naturally from food as well. So ketogenic diets improves neuromodulation, energy that's available, a positive effect on GABA. So you have the Mediterranean diet and the ketogenic diet. Those are the two main diets that have shown to help with weight loss. There are a few others, but most of them have the same type of concepts, realizing that when you see the processed meats is not on the Mediterranean diet, you want to avoid that. Now, ketogenic diet says that you can eat processed meats. Understand that when they came up with the ketogenic diet, the type of processed meats we have now were not out back then. All right? To make sausage, you should take actual, real animal, cut it up and stuff it into sausage. That ain't what we're eating now. When was the last time you saw food fall out of a cut of sausage and meat fell out the sausage? That does not happen now. All right? But when you put these together, they all say avoid sugary foods, refined grains, such as your breads and things of that sort. Now, if you're eating quinoa, things of that sort, probably those are pretty good for you for the most part. Trans fats, which are going to be in your processed packaged foods, your highly processed meats, and ketogenic says stay away from fruit. Realizing that different fruit have different glycemic indexes, all right? So berries is an excellent fruit with a low glycemic index. Bananas have a very high glycemic index, but they're full of potassium. Kiwi has a lot of potassium, but it does not have as high glycemic index as bananas. So realizing that cucumbers are a fruit. There's no glycemic index with a cucumber, all right? Or tomatoes. They're fruit as well, all right? But don't put a tomato in your fruit salad, all right? Don't say you learned that here.